Okay, this is after QC check. The first plate got one more color to paint, the silver on this piece. So put aside, go to this helmet. Okay, as you can see here, there's a lot of marks that I have put on it. This is after I paint the color to see all my small crime. I mean the marks, the errors and scratch, minor scratch. For example, this one there is like a vent or anything. Still got printing lines in there. I need to sanding and filling, sanding and filling. So underneath this also got the lines. This the same line still visible. I need to sand it down and fill the gaps. For this back plate, I mean the back side of the helmet, need a lot of work to do because this helmet are not wearable. So I will fill the gap with putty, with this putty Bondo glazing spot putty. I will fill the gap with that putty. So and for this detail, this triangles detail, it still got the offset lines that I have to highlight. I need to carve using my files, tiny files, and see this cross, the line across this back plate. Need to sand it down. It's not quite a lot of work, just a little bit work to do. Okay, the scratch, minor scratch, still got printing lines, layer lines need to eliminate before I make the neck part, which is the neck section. After this, I think I will gonna paint this by using my airbrush. So all of this helmet not for sale yet because I want to make a head bust for this iron rescue armor, Tony Stark's wife. Okay, I think that's all for today. I will update the video later after this. Thanks.